Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your PayPal photo ID in just a few minutes, helping you secure your account and build more trust on the platform. Verification is an important step because it improves your account limits and ensures safer transactions overall. So let's get straight into the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official PayPal website. Once the homepage loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. You'll be taken to the Sign In page where you need to enter your email address and password. Make sure all your details are typed correctly to avoid any login issues, then click the Login button to access your PayPal dashboard. After logging in, you'll arrive at your PayPal home screen. Here, look for the notification bell icon, usually found in the top right section. If your account requires verification, PayPal will display a prompt asking you to provide additional information. Click on that notification and select the option that says Provide Info. This will take you to the verification section where PayPal requests identity confirmation. You should now see an option to upload a photo ID. If you don't see it immediately, you can also access it manually by going to your profile settings. Click on your profile icon, then select Settings or Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the Settings page, navigate to the section labeled Data and Privacy or Account Verification, depending on your interface. This is where PayPal manages your personal information and security settings. Look for the Identity Verification option and click on Upload Photo ID. Now you'll need to choose your identification document. This can be a passport, national ID card, or driver's license, depending on what PayPal accepts in your region. Make sure the document is clear, fully visible, and not blurry or cropped. Follow the instructions carefully and upload the file in the supported format. After uploading your ID, double-check everything to ensure the image and details are readable and correct. Any mistakes or unclear images may delay the verification process or cause it to fail. Once you're satisfied, submit the document for review. PayPal will now begin verifying your information. In some cases, approval can happen within minutes, while in others it may take a bit longer depending on the system workload or additional checks. During this time, keep an eye on your email or PayPal notifications for updates regarding your verification status. Once approved, your PayPal account will be successfully verified with your photo ID. This improves your account security, increases trust, and helps you access more features with fewer restrictions. And that's it. You've now completed the steps to verify your PayPal photo ID quickly and correctly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future helpful guides.